Panda Express? Well, today we're gonna make it in the Instapot. This recipe is so easy, it doesn't take much. You just need yourself some orange sauce from Panda Express, crushed red peppers, optional, you don't have to use them. We're using chicken that we had. We defrosted it to make it go faster. And then you're gonna need water. That's it. All right, we're gonna start by cutting our chicken up. And I'm not a fan of touching chicken for salmonella reasons. I don't like that piece, so I'm gonna start by cutting it off. That's gonna be trash. And then we're just gonna cut it up into small little chunks, or medium-sized chunks. Now remember, when you use a cutting board for chicken, you want to make sure you don't use it for anything else until you've cleaned it, of course, and sterilized it. And you're going to use as much chicken as you think you and your family will eat. I'll be cutting up quite a bit of chicken.
A few moments later.
Okay, my chicken is all cut, diced up in little cubes, and I'm going to place it in the Instapot. Before I do, I'm going to add just a little bit of olive oil, just because it helps a little bit with the sticking. So I like to do that. And then I'm going to put all this in there. I did not touch the chicken, but I am going to still wash my hands when I'm done. So the chicken is in there, waiting, and now I'm going to wash my hands.
Wash your hands, do-do-do-do-do, wash your hands, do-do-do-do-do.
Okay, now we're going to take our sauce, and we're going to pour half a cup of it in here. And then this is where, if you want to add some of your flakes, I would not add more than 1/8 of a teaspoon. I'm only going to add 1/4 because I know my daughter doesn't always like everything to be too spicy. So then I'm just going to get good and mix. And then I'm going to add the rest of what's left to 1/3 cup of water. Make sure that we get it all. Okay, so I'm just stirring this up, and then I'm going to dump this on the chicken, and then we'll be ready to set the Instapot. I want to make sure I get all that orange out. That's why I chose to use this spatula like this, to get it all out. Give that a good little stir, get all that chicken nice and coated. Okay, so I'm gonna put my lid on. Listen for the sound. When you hear that, then it's closed. You're gonna change it from venting to sealing and make sure that it's on sealing. And then you're gonna come down and press your meat stew button. We wanna bring that down to 6 minutes. So right now it was at 1 hour and something. So we're gonna bring it down to 6 minutes. Take off the keep warm, and it's ready to go. So we'll just wait. It takes about 10 minutes to pressure up, and then 6 minutes to cook.
Meanwhile.
Okay, for this we're gonna make some rice to go with our chicken. And I have bouillon cubes, beef bouillon cubes. And I'm going to put 2 of them in there. And then I'm going to take 3 cups of rice. Good thing I only need 3 because look at that, we had just enough and we're out. Then we're going to take 3.5 cups of water. Oops. close it. And we're gonna set it to quick rice. Actually, I wanna do brown rice, and we're done.
Later.
That sound means that we can quick release. There we go. And we have our chicken. Oh, that looks good. The chicken is ready. And now we're going to get our rice. And do you remember this? This is gonna go on top as a drizzle. Now we're going to check on our rice. And it's ready. Give it a good stir. I think there's enough rice here for anybody that needs to come eat with us. Put some rice in there. We'll have our chicken staying warm. We're gonna take out some chicken. You don't want the water, so just the chicken. And maybe I want a little more than that. And then we're gonna drizzle. And there you have it. Orange chicken. That's looking good. First bite.
It tastes like Panda.
Does it?
It's good.
Oh, awesome.